Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video I will show you program to find missing number in array in Java. So let's take an example that we have a array in which we have 4 elements and we have to find the missing elements, and in the array elements will be starting from 1. So let's write the program. So in the program, first I will take a 1D array int a equal to, and in this I will enter 1, 2, 3 and 5. After that I will take a variable int total equal to, and here I will use a formula. So a dot length plus 1 multiply by a dot length plus 2 divide by 2, and after that I will take a for loop for int I equal to 0 and I less than a dot length and I plus plus, and in this for loop I will write total equal to total minus a of I, and in the last I will print the total variable. So system dot out dot print, in this I will write missing number equal to total. So let's run this program. So in the output we are getting missing number equal to 4, and if I take another example that I am entering here 4 and I am entering here 6 and I have removed 5. So let's run this program again. So now we are getting missing number equal to 5. So let's see how this program is working. So in the program I have taken a 1D array in which we have 4 elements. So I am writing here all the elements 1, 2, 3 and 5. Also I am writing the indexes of these elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3. After that I have taken a variable int total. So we have a total variable equal to a dot length plus 1. So in this array we total have 4 elements. So 4 plus 1 is 5 into a dot length plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 5 into 6 is 30, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So in this total variable we have 15. So you can check here that from 1 to 5, if we add all the elements like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it is equal to 15. This formula will calculate the sum of all the elements including the missing element. After that I have taken a for loop for int I equal to 0. So initial value of I is 0. After that I less than a dot length. So length of this array is 4. So I is 0 and it is less than 4. Yes, true. And we get inside our loop, and here we have total equal to total minus a of I. So in the total variable we have 15, and in the a of I, so in the array at index 0 element is 1. So 15 minus 1, so it is equal to 14, and we are storing back in the total variable. So now this variable has 14 inside it. After that I plus plus, so now I will become 1, and now here it will again check that I is less than a dot length. So 1 is less than 4. Yes, true, and it will again get inside the loop, and here total equal to total minus a of I. So total is 14, and a of I means element at index 1. So at index 1 element is 2. So 14 minus 2, so 14 minus 2 is 12, and storing it back in the total variable. So now we have 12 in the total variable. After that I plus plus, So now I will become 2, and after that it will again check that I less than a dot length. So I is 2 and it is less than 4. Yes, true. And we get inside our loop. And here we have total equal to total minus a of I. So in the total variable we have 12, and at a of I, so at index 2 element is 3. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So we will store 9 in this total variable. So now this total variable has 9 inside it. After that I plus plus. So now I will become 3, and here it will check that I is less than a dot length. So 3 is less than 4. Yes, true. And we get inside our loop. And here we have total equal to total minus a of I. So in the total variable we have 9, and in the a of I at index 3 element is 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So now in this total variable we only have 4. After that I plus plus. So now I will become 4, and here it will again check that I less than a dot length. So 4 is not less than 4. So this statement is false, and this for loop will break. And after that we will print missing number equal to total, and in the output we will get missing number equal to 4, because in the total variable we have 4. So what we are doing in this program is that, so first we are finding the sum of the total variables up to n plus 1. So we have to use this formula, and we have to enter here length of this array. So length plus 1 into length plus 2 divide by 2. After that we will get the sum of all the elements in the array including the missing element, and we will store it in this total variable. And after that, with the help of a for loop, we will subtract all the elements of the array one by one from this total. So the sum in this total variable will be subtracted by the elements of this array, and in the last only missing number will remain in this total variable, and after that we will print it in the output. So this is how we can write a program to find missing number in Java. Thank you.